Hello, welcome to the video how to close an incident when no action has occurred for 24 hours. Log into Remedyforce as an admin. Then go to Setup. In the Quick Find Bots type Workflow Rules and click on it. Click on the New Rule button. On the Object drop-down menu, select Incident and click on Next. Give it a name to this workflow rule. Then, on the evaluation criteria, leave the default option created. On rule criteria, select state open equals true. Now, in this example, I'm going to also validate the incident for a specific category. So on the second criteria, select category equals category 1. You can add or remove criteria based on your requirements. Now, save and next. Scroll down to Time-Dependent Workflow Actions and click on the Add Time Trigger button. Here, specify 24 hours after last modified date and click on Save. Scroll down to the Time-Dependent Workflow Actions and here we need to add the action that will be triggered after 24 hours. In this case, we want to close this incident. So in order to do that, we need to create a template that will be the responsible to close the incident. So let's keep this tab open and in a second tab, go to Remedyforce Administration. Now go to Configure Application and then select Templates. Click on the New button. On Template 4, select Incident. Give it a name and finally let's create the mapping. Select Status and choose the closed value. Click on Add button and then save the changes. Copy the template name as we'll need it shortly. Now let's go back to the workflow rule. Click on the Add Workflow action and select New Field Update. Give it a name to the field update. On the field to update, select Template Name. Select Use a formula to set the new value and in double quotes, type the template name that we just create. Now save the changes. Then click on Done. Activate the workflow and let's see how it's working. Open Remedyforce Console tab, click on the New button, populate the required fields, and I'm gonna make sure I select the category in order to meet the workflow criteria. Then save the changes. At this moment, the incident status is opened. There's a way to know if the scheduled action will be triggered in 24 hours. So in order to check that, go to Setup. In the Quick Find Bots type Time-Based Workflow. In the first criteria, select either Object or Workflow Rule Name. I'm gonna select Object equals Incident. Click on Search. If you notice, the incident record that I just created on August 15th, the scheduled action will be triggered on August 16th. This is exactly 24 hours. After 24 hours, we can see the template change to Set Incident Status to Closed and the status changed to Closed as expected. This concludes the video how to close an incident when no action has occurred for 24 hours. Thank you for watching.